On my volume shocker screener, I have found another speed breaker. In the last couple of months, I've been finding out that my second screener, which is a volume shocker screener I use for U-turn patterns, has been working well for speed breakers as well. So what I'll do is I'll give the link below this only to the WhatsApp group of speed breaker trading members, so that you guys can also start using this screener, because ADX screener, it works well when the market is trending, and currently market is in uncertain mode. So volume shocker is also another screener you can use to find the same speed breaker that we're talking about. And today, after going through the list, I found out Godrej Industries has shown a very nice uh, breakout pattern. And I wanted to mention a very important phenomenon. This is very common with speed breakers, that you will see a huge breakout like this. So let me first switch to my Sher Khan chart. Okay, so here we have Godrej Industries. So I've already found it out from my screener. Now, if I were to draw lines, you can see that there's a nice slightly downward, slightly sideways with a lot of confusing candles. Now remove the extensions here. Okay, so as you can see, this is a proper upward movement from here and then sideways, and a beautiful breakout on this side. Now, the only problem is we can see that the height of this particular pattern starts from, let's say, 430, goes up to 550, 550. So for that, we get almost 550 minus 430 is equal to 120 point movement. Now, if you look at this breakout, it has been huge. It's already crossed, let's say, breakout, if we add from 513, sorry, 513. Okay, we get 633 as our target, but today itself the breakout has gone as high as 611. Okay, so what do you do in this case? So let me delete all of this first. Okay, so in this case, once this breakout has happened, what you do is you wait for something known as a pullback, which I have already discussed. You wait for a nice pullback down here. Okay, let the stock come down, because this is a huge breakout. So the profitability risk reward ratio is not going to be that great. So at about, I would say, let it come back to at least this level, 524 or even 530 seems like a better area to enter. Okay, somewhere between 530 to 520, whenever stock comes down, that is where you should initiate your buying. What you can do is you can either let's say keep a pending order at 530. Okay, or okay, pending order is a limit order, or you can also keep I would say alert. That's the easiest one. Alert at 530. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to set an alert, so that whenever stock comes back, that's the time I can capitalize on this opportunity and buy it back and keep a target of then 630. Okay, let's just calculate the target again. So here is why I expect the breakout to be from 524, and from 430 to 550 at 120 points of movement. Okay, wait, 550 minus 430. So the pole size was 120, plus we get, let's say, 530 as our target entry. 650 is our target. Okay, so then we can keep 650 as our target. So I'll keep you guys updated on the YouTube channel and Facebook page as well. Let's see what happens of this in a couple of days if it comes down. Till that time, I'm just going to uh, keep an alert of 530. If the stock comes below this, I will initiate a buy entry on this. Buy on pullback is the message I will get. For this stock, volume profile has been absolutely excellent. Notice how the volume has completely declined and then shot up nicely. It's a huge breakout over here. So this is all in all a very nice pattern to trade, ideal speed breaker to get into.